and do your duty. Your duty is to fight, O Arjuna. We are fighting with Maya. Our fight, our war is with Maya. And we will not stop until Maya is defeated. We should not stop until Maya is defeated. Our fight always is with Maya. Maya mari na man mari, mari mar gaye sharir. All people die slowly and all die, but now Maya stays there. So I have war with Maya as they had and they were all defeated. Should I be defeated by Maya? Nobody will remember me even though I am a millionaire today. After my death, not my son will remember me, give a pindadanam after 10 years, he will forget. So, I have to prepare myself. So, yudhyacha, work. What work? Fight. Our fight with Maya, defeat her. Mayar with mano buddhi, engage your mind, buddhi and mind in my service. Then you will come without a doubt to me. Abhyasa yogoktena chetsaranagamina paramam purusham davyam yati parthana chintan. Abhyasa yogoktena. Why? How would you do? Every day you will come. Not one day, take rest. Every day, daily, routine. Then you will become abhyasa. Like you take tea. You take tea, you got used to taking tea, and without taking tea on the time, then you get a headache. So you get service to Krishna every day, then you get headache without coming to Krishna. When you stop coming to Krishna, you will get a headache. That is called abhyasa. Abhyasa yoga yuktena. I did not say you go and see your wife and husband every day. He is saying come and see me every day. See? So you get used to that, you will get abhyasa, yoga yuktena, chetasa, nanagamina. You will never let your mind go anywhere. Paramam purusham divyam, sure you will go to that divya purusha without thinking. Kavim puran manasa sutara, anoradiyan, samanusmaridyaha. Krishna is smaller than smallest, greater than greatest. Anoraniyan mahato Mundakumishad. Anoraniyan mahato mahiyan. He is greatest of the great and smallest of the small. And he is most ancient, Adi Purusha. He is most learned of all. And Sarva Siddhata, he holds everyone, maintains all. He is Achinta Rupa, his inconceivable form and transcendental. Aditya Varnam, his best pride is Aditya, and Aditya is his eye. And Tamasa Parastad, he beyond covering of ignorance. Priyanakare Manasa Chalena, when mind is bewildered at the time of death. Bhakti Ayukta Yoga Valenicheva, because you have practiced spiritual life so long, therefore you will become Yukta. You don't need to worry. Devotee never worries of anything. Devotee has to be genuine. His heart is dedicated to Krishna. He cares of nobody. That is devotee. Bhruvor madhye pranamavesha samyak brings the life air to the between the eyebrows. Does devotee do that? No. Devotee's life is Krishna. He don't need it. But Krishna does that. Krishna does that. That's how can remember Krishna at the time of death. Devotee is the only person who can remember Krishna at the time of death. Yadaksharam veda vido vedanti. What the Vedas they speak infallible about that. Vishanti yadyattayo vidaragaha. That Lord is inside that living entity who is performing austerity, tapasya, dedicated to Him, concentration of Him. Yadichanto brahmacharya, for which they perform austerities, goes to that abode. Sarvadvarani sanyam, there are 9 holes in the body. Sarvadvarani sanyam yaste, manohrudi nirudhyacha. All 9 holes are under control. Means his mouth is only speaking Krishna. His ears are only listening Krishna. His nose is only smelling Krishna's garland and his incense. His eyes only seeing Krishna and his books. His legs are going to Krishna only. His evacuation and urination is only for Krishna's help. So, Mano Hrudi Niruddha, the mind is also comes to inside the heart. He is not more mind free, running. No, he is under control. Who is under control? No, soul. Soul is always inside the heart. Therefore, his soul goes, mind is taken to the soul, means always under control. Murdhnya dhayat manah pranam. Prana, it comes to Murdhnya. Murdhni is here, this person. The top of the head is called Murdhni. This place, his prana is no more beating here. When Ganges was brought by Bhagirath from Himalaya, he's bringing down, came to Rishikesh area. Past Rishikesh came to Haridwar. There was a sadhu, young man performing tapasya, sitting down there, and he had a snan and he has kopinam hanging. So Ganges is coming. Bhagirath's chariot is going in front. Ganges is coming. Ganges looked. Oh, such a beautiful sadhu. A young lady gets attracted naturally. Oh, young man, wow, wonderful. Let me go near him. So when near him, the kopin will go. The sadhu thing is, river water is coming in the mouth, kopin will go. He took the water, put on the janna. Is what do you call this place? The Thai in Telugu, what do you call, I don't know. Tuda. He took whole Ganges to Tuda. Well, from there, Bhagirath has to pray, Swamiji, my ancestors have to be cured. Please, he has to pray, spend time. So he released from him. So Ganges went this way. So no kopinam gone from the Ganges. She got attracted, she wanted to be with him, and he got near him, to saw water. He says, my kopin will go. So he is into kopin conscious, she is in his conscious. So which is better? So kopin is better because by that he, what is that? Brahmacharyam charanti. So her name became Jannavi. Janu, this is Sanskrit, this is called Janu. What do you call Tuda? So, yadi chantu brahmacharyam charanti tatte padam sangrahena sarvadvarani sanyamyo yaste ya mano hrudi niruddhacha murdhina dhayatmana pranam astito yoga dharanam. Yoga dharana is such that you can move your life here anywhere. Anywhere it can run. Om mitya kakhiram. So, momentary annihilation, it does not come back again. Naimittika pralaya. Naimittika pralaya comes in one day of Lord Brahma. 3 or 400, 4 billion, 320 million years. This takes place in that many, after that many years it takes place. What gets annihilated? Until Swargam. Whole earth is annihilated, Swargam is annihilated. Number 3, Prakritik Pralaya. This comes after 100 years of Brahma. After life ends of Brahma, whole universe is dissolved. Alright? Then comes Atyantik Pralaya. See? After whole universe is annihilated, there remains. What is Atyantik Pralaya? Reduction of cycle of birth and death. You got moksha. The 4th one is only moksha. Who can give moksha? Mukti pradata sarvesham Vishnu revana sansayaha. Vishnu is Krishna, Krishna is Vishnu. So, Atyantik Pralaya is relinquishing subtle body. relinquish of subtle body is called Atyantik Pralaya. As long as you are in the subtle body, you will be given another birth. The demigods have subtle bodies. So as long as you have subtle body, you might be a demigod. Kabhu Swarge, Kabhu Marti. And sometimes you take birth in heaven, sometimes you take birth in earth, sometimes you go to hell, take birth on hell. You are in hellish condition, or a man, or a woman, or creed. So many things are there, all take birth. As long as you have subtle body, they take birth. So annihilation of subtle body is called Atyantik Pralaya. Then you get moksha. So mokhyam is also a pralaya. What a kind of pralaya? Pralaya of subtle body. This is all gross. This is subtle. Nobody else can do that. Only Krishna can do. One day, Narada Muni was walking to see Badrinath. Narada Muni is walking, and he is walking for Badrinath to have darshan, asking a question. No, Kedarnath. Walking for Kedarnath, having a question. So he walked to Kedarnath. Kedarnath told, only Mukti Pradaya Sarvasam, Lord Shiva is speaking to Narada Muni, this sloka, Padma Purana. So he said, only Vishnu can. Then he is walking for Badrinath. Badrinath, on the way, he saw a child crying on the floor. Crying there. Somebody left him there. So he lifted the child, gone nearby, and all his merits are destroyed. What is that? All punyam he lost. Who? Narada Muni. All his punyam is gone. So how can he ask any question? See, Badrinath. Badrinath means Lord Krishna and four arms, Narayana. So how can he see? Now, what is the big problem? So what happened? He performed tapasya. Asking what happened to me? He said, you met unwanted, illegitimate child, a prostitute. He produced a child. Nikarmya bhumi nindanti, chor nindanti chandrama, vaishya putra nindanti, jal nindanti rogina. Who? The Vaishya don't like children. So she left the child, and Narada Muni got compassionate. And he looked at us, all his potency is gone. Vaishya means illegitimate children. That's what it means. So what happened? Sankaro Narkaeva, we read already. So he had to perform austerity to get more merits, so he can talk to Narayana, Rishi and Badrinath. So secret is this Atyantik Pralaya can only be rewarded by Lord Krishna. Bhutagrama sa evayam bhutva bhutya pralayate ratragami vasapartha parvanti haragami. This material creation again gets created, again gets destroyed, again gets created, again gets destroyed. At the daytime created, night time destroyed. Like that. Parastasmad bhavonya bhakti bhakta saradhana. Let's talk tomorrow. I looked in the watch, it's 3 o'clock. Shri Radha Govinda Bhagwan ki?